Pasok.
Solid ah.
Ang oras po natin ay 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Number 3, nagdadala ng bola. Number 3. Number 4, nagmamadali. Number 4, number 4, number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Pass to number 28. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to 37. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Tumira. Pasok. Number 9. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 27. 27. 27. Nakuha ni number 11. 11. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Change 5 reps.
Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Magkano na. Mag-isang buwan. Eka. Sampo pa lang. Ay, hindi. 12 ka lang.
Shoutout sa'yo, Frey. Number 1. Number 1. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 10. 10. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 10 again. Pass to number 17. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 1, dalang bola. Pass to number 0. 0. 0. Number 2, pass to number 0. 0, nagmamadali. Tumira. Pasok. Number 6, kumuha. Nakaw ko yung bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 71. Who's foul rep? Foul number 2. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Nakuha na number 0. Number 0. Pinatrap. Pinasa number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 2. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha na number 17. Pass to number 0. Teka 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Who's foul rep? Number 23. 0. First personal foul. Third team foul. Is there somebody ball? Ang oras po natin ay 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 1. Number 1. Okay. Nakuha ni Saint Boy. Ang score po natin ay 33-20 in favor of PPS. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 1. May out ng ball. Okay, 27. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 2. Grabe yung violation tayo ito. Number 2. Ito na number 4. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 2 again. Pass to number 17. 14 to shoot. Number 0. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 2. Pinasa kay 0. Pinasa kay 17. 2 points. Ang oras po natin ay 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 71. Easy 2 points. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 0. 0. 0. Pass to number 2. Number 2. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number... Hindi ko nakita yung number. Tumira ng 3. Paso! Sorry, Pike. Ano number nito? Number 71. Pinasa ka number 6. Tumira. Bang. Who's power it? 23.
17. 17 na lang. 17 lang.
First throw. First personal foul. 14 foul. Ang oras po natin ay 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Unang tira. Ang score po ay 38-22 in favor of PPS. Second row.
Pag ano, napapakain lang. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Pero
Wala.
balik time.
17. Pass to number 17 to number 1. Number 1 nagmamadali. Lumea. Wala. 1-23. Pass to number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 10. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha rin. Pinalo. Wala pa din. 23 again. Tumira. Wala pa din. Nakuha rin. Use foul rin. Number 0. Penalty. Ang oras po natin ay 1 minute and 39 seconds. First row. So. 23. Last row. Papasok kaya? Pasok. Number 2. Nagdadala ng bola. Kaya sa kakampi. Number 2.
Tatla.
14 to shoot. Number 10, pass to number 2. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 2. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Nagmamadali. Number 1. Pass to 71. 71. Pass to number 2. Nakuha ni 17. Pinasa kay number 0. Pasok! Last 56 seconds. Number 71. Lumea. Nakuha ni 17. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Pinasa kay 23. Ang ganda. Last 39 seconds. Number 0. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 0. Pinasa kay 72. Pasok. 25 seconds. Number 23. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Shoutout sa dumating. Shot Vanessa. Number 2. Last 10 seconds. Number 0. Teka 3. Wala. Nakuha na ano. Hindi ko na alam. Number 0. Last 1 second. Bola ng PPS.
Kaya dapat pala dinala ko yung
Number 27. Pass to number 3. Number number 3, pass to number 27, pass to number 3, pass to number 31. 31, pass to number 30 to shoot, number 28, pass to number 27, pass to number 28. Tumira, pasok. Number 11. 11. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 4. 4. Set to shoot. Number 9. Bumang shot. Pasok. Number 3. Dadala ng bola. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 27. To number 3. To number 4. To number 3. 10 to shoot. To number 4. Pass to number 11. 11. 11. Amaro. Second.
Shoutout nga pala sa team ng Albot. Dumating na po ang player nyo, si Uski.
14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 3, nagbababa ng ball. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. 14 to shoot. Number 27. Out of bounds. Mr. Sambahu ball. Number 11. Tumikap ng bola. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Na Buwersa. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 4. Third personal foul. First hit foul. Unang tira.
Sabog.
Pasok. Ang score po natin ay 44-31 in favor of PPS. Second throw. Pasok. Number 27. Babay ng bola. Ang oras po pala natin ay 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Number 27. Back to number 3 to 27. 27 to number... Pasok. Number 11. Pass to... Ganda ng pasa. Tumira. Pasok. Number 27. Nagdadala ng bola. 27. 27. To number 4. 40 to shoot. Number 4. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni... Number 9. Nagmamadali. Nakuha. To number 27. 27. 27. 27. To number 3. Number 3. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 3. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 11. May hawak ng bola. Pass number 4. Pass take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Sinataw. Pass number 27. 27. 27. 27. 14 to shoot. Number 31. 10 to shoot. Number 3. Pass number 27. 5 to shoot. Number 27. Pass number 3. Number 3. Foul. Who's foul rep? 18. 14 to shoot. Number 27. Ang oras po natin ay 6 minutes and 11 seconds. Ang score po ay 46-34 in favor of PPS. Number 18. Pass to number 11. Pass to Guzman Rep. Number 28. Foul. Seventh personal foul. 13 foul. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 11. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3, tinignan pa. Sumayap. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. Pass to number 27. To number 4. Pass to number 3. Sumayap. Pass. 37. Iniipit. 37. Who's foul rep? 27. First personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Ang oras po natin ay 5 minutes and 32 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass to number 3. Lumea. Pass. Number 11. Pass to number 4. Ang official score po natin ay 50-34. Ang favor ng PPS. Ang oras ay 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Game start! Number 2, take a 3. O, number 2, nice steal. Tumira. Wala. Number 2 again. Number 2. Inipit. Defensive foul ang tawag ng ating referee. Defensive foul. Hands po.
Number 2, unsportsmanship foul. 3 minutes. Number 3, out po ng 3 minutes. Number 2 pala, number 2. Number 2, stop.
Inisting ko nga yung sinasabi.
3 minutes. Number 2, out. 3 minutes.
Pasok kaya. Pasok! Number 1. Pass to Nabuwasa na. Use ball rep. Number 7. Ang oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 27. Pass po number 10. Mr. Sanfadido. Committee timeout.
Das! Slow lang tayo. Slow lang.
Tututo kayo, kalaman ka, kalaman.
PTS mo. Number 0. to number 7. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0.
Nice shot! Nice shot!
10 to shoot. Nakuha number 0. Nakuha number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha na. Out of bounds. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Take a 3. Pasok. 2 points lang. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Number 0. Nagpadal ni goal. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Foul. Number 23. Penalty. Ang oras po natin ay 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Ang score po ay 50-39 in favor of PPS. First throw. Supply. Second throw. Nakuha ni number 9. Pass to 23. To number 9. 9. To number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Pass to 5. Number 1. Umatay. Lumayap. Foul counted. Foul. Number 9. Ang score po natin ay 50-41 in favor of PPS. Bonus throw. Pasok. Number 0. Paso number 17. 17. 15 to shoot. Tumira ng 12. Number 1, nagmamadali. Nakuha ni number 17. 17. Paso number 0. To number 18. Paso.
Basket! Wala pa rin, ha? Wala pa.
Basket pa, tapos penalty. Basket.
Yung pito muna bago siya. Paano pang basket?
Last ball.
Number 1. 14 to shoot. Foul number 9. Penalty. First throw by number 2.
Paano yan? Pwede ako pumasok?
3 minutes pa. Di ba? 3 minutes. Mga
Petro,
1
pasok.
minute, 1 minute 56.
5 minutes yun lang kasi malalaman eh.
4 minutes kanina eh, 4 minutes.
Di ba bawal ba?
Second throw.
Bawal na, bawal.
Number 17. May akong bola. Number 17. Number 17. Papadali. Lumaya. Wala. Ayan number 3. Number 2. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. PPS ball. Ang oras natin ay 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 17. Technical foul tayo. Ang score po ay 52-44 in favor of PPS. Pasok!
Rep, may foul ah. Pero meron. Rep, may foul ah. Wala. 1 minute 56. Pwede. Pero 45 pa eh.
Number 17, pass to number 10. Number 10 to number 17. 17, pass to number 9.
Sa kanan.
14 to shoot. Number 17. Pass to number 10. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha. Number 2 na number 10. Pinasa kay number 1. Tumira. Pasok. Number 0. Pass to number 17. 17. 17. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni 23.
Rep, ang arte naman mo.
Tumira.
Sigaw na
Wala.
sigaw.
Nakuha ni 5. Number 23. Graduate!
Ikaw ba?
Number 23, fouled out.
Palta mo na.
Ang oras po natin ay 1 minute and 17 seconds. First row. Nine. Second row. Number 9. Number 9 to number 10. To number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 17. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Last 58 seconds. Ang score po ay 53-47. Take off PPS. Number 10. Last 55 seconds. Number 10. Pass to number 0 to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Sumalaksak. Pass to number 0 to number 9. Number 1, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 2. Number 2, tumira. Pasok. Last 28 seconds. Number 0. 0. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Nagpapatali si number 1. Number 1. Lumayap. Pasok. Last 10 seconds. Number 10 to number 2. Last 5 seconds. Use ball rep. Number 3. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. End of the third quarter. Dalawa-dala po ang kalamangan ng PPS Minsan.
Tulog na ito.
Number 11. Number 11. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 2. Ipang natin, pinasa 27. 27. Use ball rep. Number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 0. 4. Pass to number 2 to number 28. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha. Number Number 9. Number 9. Nakuha ng number 17. 17. Nakuha ng number 11. 11. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 9. 4-3. Paso. Tayo na po yung laban. 27. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay number 4. Yeah. Same ball. Number 2. Tumira siya. Number 11. May hawak ang ball. Number 11. Pass to number. Ay, pinasot si number 11. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Jam ball. PPS Rizal ball. Ang oras po natin ay 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Number 27. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number 27. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Tumira. So, number 11. 11. Number 37. Wala. Nakuha ni 27 to number Husal rep. Substitution. Apat ka na, number 4. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Ang oras po natin ay 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 9. Number 9. Pinawata. Number 27. Pasok. Number 27. Ang oras po natin ay 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 27. 27. 40 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Step on volleyball. Ang score po natin ay 57-55 in favor of PPS.
Yung sa loob
Wala
kasi
po malamangan. Nawersa si 37. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4 to 27. 27. 27. Pass to number 3. 14 to shoot.
Piso!
Wala. Nakuha ng tulat. 71. 71. To 11. 11. Pass to 71. Tumira. Paso. All na po ang score natin. 27. 40 seconds to shoot. Pass to 17. 10 to shoot. 2 points by number 3. Seconds to shoot, number 4. 10 seconds to shoot, number substitute mo na, sub.
Di boss, pasok.
27. 27. Number 1, nagmamadali.
Tamo! Ikaw nandito eh! Puro ka na naman sa kabila eh!
Number 0. Number 4, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 17 to number 3. So, ang score naman ay 63-59 in favor of PPS. Number 1. Pass to number 2. Number 2, 10 and 3. Wala. One number 4. Pass to number 0. Easy 17. Tumira. Yan. Stop. First personal foul. Technique foul. Ang score po natin ay 5 minutes and 32 seconds.
Sabang.
First throw. Pasok. Sakto.
Umaya pa yan. 5 goal.
Second throw. Pasok. Ang oras po natin ay 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Official score 35-59 in favor of PPS. 65. Take a 3. Pasok. Number 2, pass to number 0 to number 2. Number 2, magpapaba ng bola. Pass to number 0. Number 0. That's by number 7. Number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6, tumira. Wala. 1:28 to number 2. Number 2. Bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number 3. Take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya. Number 17. 10 to shoot. Number 20 to 17 to number 2. 5 to shoot. 1:27 ulit. Nakuha pa ng foul.
Foul number 2. Now Mr. Somebody at technical foul number 2 ng PBS Rizal.
Ano tao?
Rep.
Sap po tayo. Mamaya po pala.
Hoy, Chi.
Soy, 3 araw eh. Ano ba? Tumatagal eh. Oras. Napasok ako eh. Hindi talaga, hindi makaintindi. Sabi 3 technical niya eh. Soy, 3 nga eh. 3. Ano ba? Napatagal mo pa eh.
Ang oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Unang tira, pasok.
Boyti.
Second throw. Pasok. Sa po tayo rep. Labas ang labas, pasok ang papasok. Ang oras po ay 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 1. Pass to number 2 to number 71. Tumira, wala. 1:28 to number 0. 2:17. Substitution. Who's foul rep? Ang score po natin ay 69-63 in favor of PPS. First throw. Pasok. Last throw. 70-63 po. Second throw. Pasok. Take a 3. One number 17 to number 27. To number 0. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha na number 4. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Sana. Tita, sinisabi ko. Time out. oras ay 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Ikot lang, cutters! Tawiran, tawid, tawid!
Number 27, pass to number 14 to shoot. Number 0, take a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 17. 17 to number 3. 10 to shoot. Use violet. Number 2.
Penalty, penalty! Apat ka!
Penalty.
Apat! Apat, apat!
Ang score po ay 70-63 in favor of TPS Rizal. Walang tira sa fly. Ang oras ay 3 minutes and 27 seconds.
Eh, tapat! Eh!
1 minute. Number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Take a 3. Wala. Kuha number 0. Easy lang daw. Pass to number 27. 27. Pass to number 3. Jumam shot. Wala. Number 4. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Violation. Oras ay 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Easy to score number 17. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Ten to shoot. Sumito.
Sas. Natawag na! Okay na ako.
Number 28, Anspo. 3 minutes out.
Ulang tira. Pasok. Pasok. Ang oras ay 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Official score 73-65 in favor of TPS Rizal. Number 1 to number 11. Number 11 to number 1. 3-7 violation.
Laro na po, laro na. Wala na po papasok, wala na papasok. Number 2 ng Mr. Somebody, technical. Yung mga audience po, kalma-kalma lang po muna tayo. At umiinit ang ano. Umiinit ang...
Free throw. Free throw. Nice. Shout out kay Abok. Number 27 to number 0. Number 0 to number 3 to number 0 to number 3. 14 to shoot. Number 3 to number 2. Number 4. Pass to number 11. Same ball. Ang oras ay 2 minutes and 1 second. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. Number 27. Pass to number 17. Easy layup. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Number 1. Number 1. Take a 3. Nakakawa pa ng 5. Use your number 27. Official score 75-65. Favor of PBS. First row. Sublime.
Pag nashoot, tamba.
Second. Tulong. Dapat. PBS Rizal.
Sad.
Substitution. Number 0 to number 27. To number 0 again. To number 27. To number 17. Tumira. Ang score ay 77-65 in favor of PBS Rizal. Number 1 sumalaksak. Time out, Mr. Somebody. Ang oras ay 1 minute and 16 seconds. Ready na po ang Star Bites and Output.
Ano yan? Umabot na sa oras. Ulelat eh.
Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 17. Wala. Nakuha na. Number 2. Number 2 to number 27 to number 2. Last 55 seconds. Number 4. Lumea. Nakuha pa ng foul. Use foul rep. Number 17. First row. Score ay 79-65 in favor of PBS Rizal. First row. Pasok. Number 0. Nahulog number 11. Take a 3 by number 18. Wala. Nakuha ni 18 again. Tumira na naman. Last 35 seconds. Number 0 to number 3. 3 to number 0 again. Number 2. 10 to shoot. To number 27. 5 to shoot. And out the game.